Hello, everybody. These next two videos are intended to show you some postulates that allow you to say that triangles are congruent. Okay, now, when we say triangles are congruent or any shapes are congruent, we're saying that they have the same size and the same shape. Okay, so in this case, we have two triangles here. So if I say that these two triangles eventually are congruent, I'm saying that all three sides and all three angles have a corresponding congruence. Okay, now it's critical to understand that. That's six different congruency statements, the three sides and the three angles. So if we were to have to show that all six of those were congruent for a triangle, or even more for figures of more sides, be complete pain. Okay, so the idea behind these two videos is they are shortcuts. Okay, so the first one is called the side, or SSS, congruence postulate. And these are all postulates. These are ideas that can't be proven. We have to accept as being true. So in this case, I have two triangles with the sides tick marked as being congruent. So you're given that. Okay, that's enough to say that all parts of those two triangles are congruent. Okay, so we could make a congruency statement. Triangle ABC is congruent to. Now, we got to be really careful, like you guys did a really good job in class, of making sure that we have the corresponding parts in the right order. That's critical. So I'm looking at AB. AB has one tick mark through it, right? Let's see. EF has one tick mark. And so I have this question. Should I go FED or should I go EFD? Let's just check. Let's just put one in there. And if it's wrong, we'll cross it out and put the right one in there. All right, so let's double check now. So AB has one tick mark. EF has one tick mark. So good. So far, so good. BC, the second and third positions, those have two tick marks. FD, the second and third positions, those have three tick marks. And you know what? I got it wrong. It's incorrect. And I know you might be able to do this in your head, but let's make sure that we understand that the order is absolutely critical. So let's try a different way. Let's try F, E, D and see how that works. AB, FE, both have one tick mark. BC, two tick marks. ED, two tick marks. And just for fun, let's check the last one. Okay, so AC, which is first and third, has three tick marks. FD, which is first and third, has three tick marks. This is the correct congruency statement. Be very careful with that statement. We'll practice that in class. Thanks.